Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: battery level, active Jio SIM, and a data plan. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Connectivity, then Hotspot and Tethering to begin. Make sure to name your SSID so you can identify it on other devices and set a WPA2 password to prevent unauthorized access. You're enabling the feature now. This is the crucial first actionable step, so other devices can see and connect to your Jio Phone immediately. Once the hotspot is on, you should configure advanced options to control performance and security. Choose 4 GHz for broader range or 5 GHz if your Jio model and clients support it for higher speed. Limit the number of connected devices and set a timeout or data cap so the phone doesn't overuse your plan. Make sure to toggle SSID visibility if you want privacy. These steps optimize battery and data and explain why each choice affects connectivity and security. Now connect your laptop or tablet by selecting the SSID and entering the password you set. Confirm the client receives an IP address. If devices see the network but have no internet, toggle the hotspot off and on, restart the Jio Phone, or briefly switch mobile data off and back on to refresh the link. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the Jio APN and signal strength. If needed, toggle airplane mode to re-register to the network, which often restores connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.